remember. And then, what will you do? You have made your decision. Now all is calm. And you have found the way. Do not be frightened. Now it is your turn. You are time which is born and dies every day. You are the invisible and all that which does not exist. Immortality. You have come to dissolve yourself and merge into eternity. Have you reached the last sigh? Welcome home.